How to change your settings on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your settings on Twitter. So to do that, first of all, open the Twitter application on your mobile device. Now make sure you are logged into your Twitter account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on your profile icon, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Now on the bottom side of the screen, you can see the option settings and support. Simply tap on it and then scroll down and then tap on the option settings and privacy. These are all of the settings provided by Twitter. Now it really depends upon you which setting you are trying to change. So if you are trying to change your privacy settings, you'll have to tap on the option privacy, and then you will be able to change your privacy settings such as your audience and tagging, your tweets, the content you see, mute and block, direct messages, spaces. Now to change them, simply tap on them and then you will be able to change the setting from there. And if you are trying to change the setting of your account, you'll have to tap on your account and then you will be able to change these settings over here. And if you are here to change your notifications, you can do that as well. So it really depends on which setting you want to change. All you have to do is simply go to settings and then locate the setting which you want to change and then change it from there. So that is basically how you change your settings on Twitter. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.